I always want to have an impact in whatever I do. As an architect, I really want to have sustainability a very important factor in my design. We are thinking about using the origami principles to make this accommodation, because we are thinking they need something, first of all, easy to assemble and deassemble. So that's why we are thinking of the origami principle, so it can easily be packed and open, and then you can easily carry it as well. And also the material, we are thinking of sustainable material like cardboard, recycled cardboard. So again, it's like cheap, sustainable, it can be recyclable again, and still we can use the recycled cardboard. And then the design is also, the origami design is also very unique design for having something that is easy to carry, easy to assemble, reassemble, and maybe store. So like this is the overall view of our design.